Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. In this week's video, we're going to be talking about the importance of building your brand. So when we talk about your brand, of course, in previous videos, we talked about developing a unique selling proposition or unique value proposition. Why should somebody do business with you versus another agent? There's over 1.35 million realtors out there. But we're not talking about unique value proposition in this video. We're talking about building a brand both online and offline. So if somebody Googles you or they're researching an agent in your market and they land on your social media channels, so YouTube or Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, for example, or they go to your website, are they seeing a consistency in your brand? The look and the feel, the colors, the professionalism. So you need to consider that when you are building your brand. Again, people are going to be Googling you. They're going to be looking you up, and you want to be consistent with your brand. For example, if you're not a big LinkedIn user, perhaps a potential prospect is a LinkedIn user, and if they go to your profile and it's not optimized and filled out and has an old picture, you're not going to get the competitive advantage over your competition. So again, building a brand from colors to perhaps the logo. Logos are real big today, right? I mean, we've seen RE/MAX reveal a new logo a few years ago, ERA a few years ago. Just this year, Coldwell Banker revealed a new logo. So logos are, Century 21 went through some rebranding. So perhaps your brand needs a refresher as well. Again, I believe a brand is much more than a logo, but I'm just sharing with you logos and colors and consistency throughout both online and your print. So print could be any kind of postcards you're putting out there, any prospecting if you're doing lead generation. So that's going to be really important when you're developing a consistency in your brand. Perhaps bring in some fresh eyes analysis. Have some colleagues that you like and trust and some other professionals to get their thoughts on your branding. Now I want to show you a couple examples of branding. So first off, I'm wearing a shirt that says location, location, location. That's a shirt that we're offering in our brand new Luxury Specialist gear. Check it out, luxuryspecialistgear.com. I was just speaking at the Keller Williams Luxury Conference last month, and I was wearing this shirt, Luxury Specialist, and I had three people. It was at the Boca Raton Resort, and I went to this great Italian restaurant called Luca's. And it was an Italian restaurant, and I had three people come up to me during dinner and say, Luxury Specialist, tell me about that. It's a great conversational starter. So we've created different designs, different color schemes. Go to luxuryspecialistgear.com, including the location, location, location. And so when you're out and about in town, if you're even going on appointments and you're more casual, if you wear some branding materials, you are continuing to build a brand. One of the things that we do, for example, when somebody sends us a nice note, or if they are a new certification member, or we're sending them something in the mail, we even have branded boxes. Now, how could this work in your business? Perhaps in your business you do a lot of canceled and expireds, and if you want to leave something different than the competition, why wouldn't you consider branding a box? It's totally different. So in this case, we have our slogan, Prove Them Wrong, Luxury Listing Specialist, Lux. As you open up the actual box, you will see in here some branding as well. It's not the market, it's the marketing. So again, you can brand something as simple as a box, of course, your business card, your website, and your social media channels. But you want to consistently build a brand online and offline. My name is Michael LaFido, and if you have any questions, please send us an email, Michael@Marketing Luxury Group. The last thing I'm going to leave you is some people have talked about borrowed credibility. How can we borrow the credibility that you built, Michael, with your podcast? Make sure you check out our podcast, by the way, luxurylistingpodcast.com, or go to iTunes or Stitcher. Go to Luxury and look up Luxury Listing Specialist. We're nearing almost 60 episodes out there at the time of filming. We've gotten some amazing feedback. So if you know of somebody that would be a great guest on luxurylistingpodcast.com, or our Luxury Listing Specialist, as it's known on iTunes and Stitcher, shoot us a note. But one of the things that we do offer, I wrote a book called Marketing Luxury. It's geared towards sellers. If you want more information on how you can contribute, and we can get your name on the front, your picture and bio on the back, and it's an area exclusive. You can be the only contributor for Marketing Luxury in your marketplace. shoot us an email. My contact information is below. Continue to raise the bar in real estate, and remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Have a great day. Go check out our gear at luxuryspecialistgear.com. Location, 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 and luxury specialist. Have a great day.